I'm in a financially good spot, and it's all thanks to autopilot spending habits that I cut out of my life. This way, the money that I save can actually work for me when I invest it in the stock market or put it back into my own business. So let's jump right into the 7 things I stopped buying to make more money. Number 1, a brand new car. One of my recent videos went viral with 1 million views, and it's about whether to finance or lease a car. And people in the comment section asked what I ended up doing in the end. In all honesty, I did that calculation because I was looking into buying a Jeep and was seeing if the numbers actually made sense to me. At the end of the day, I decided against buying a Jeep because I couldn't justify the cost compared to how much I was actually going to use it. And in the end, I just stuck with my family car for those rare occasions when I actually do need one. Souvenirs. I recently returned from a month-long trip in Spain and Portugal and brought back exactly 0 souvenirs. While I value the experiences and memories that I get out of traveling, I find souvenirs just take up space in my home and often just end up collecting dust. And let's face it, I don't need a mug from every single city that I've visited. Instead, I prefer capturing the moment in photos and reflecting on my own experiences through journaling. But when I do end up buying something in the rare occasion, I like to purchase practical items during my trip, like a jacket that I picked up in Spain when it suddenly got really cold, and traditional local tea from Portugal. These items serve a purpose and remind me of my adventures every single time that I use them. 3. Unnecessary luxuries. When I was in Korea during my work secondment, one of the bad habits that I got into was indulging in regular salon treatments. But over time, the frequency and cost of these luxuries, like getting nails and lashes done, became a drain not only on my finances, but also on my time. Self-care and looking presentable is important, but I found that it doesn't have to be costly or overly time-consuming. There are plenty of DIY alternatives that can help you save money and time while keeping you looking fresh. Now I focus on self-care that doesn't require a hefty price tag or sitting for hours in a salon chair. Number 4, fast fashion. I remember those days of buying outfits from Forever 21 or American Eagle and wearing an outfit only a handful of times before the seams start to fall apart. Not only is fast fashion bad for the environment, but for your wallet as well. After having a cluttered closet for years and not even wearing most of the clothes inside of it, I ended up donating most of it. And now my approach changed to buy once and cry once. That means investing in high quality items that will last and that I will wear frequently. I opt for a minimalist, neutral palette, which simplifies my wardrobe and eliminates the stress of coordinating outfits. It saves not just money, but also precious morning minutes. 5. New releases. With technology upgrading at a breakneck speed, there's always a new gadget or the cool tech that gets a lot of hype, like the lineups at Apple stores during the release of a new iPhone. I feel that technology is one of those things that depreciate super fast, like a car that loses value the moment it drives off the driveway. And new and better items will continue to roll out year after year. That's why personally I don't buy the new releases. Instead, I purchase previous models when prices drop or buy slightly used products at a fraction of the price. Once I shifted my mindset away from the belief that I always needed to have the latest and brand new tech, I realized the practicality in doing so. So let's be honest, the difference between the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 13 is not much, but by opting for the iPhone 13, you can save a few $100s without sacrificing much in terms of features or performance. Number 6, quick fixes. It's human nature to seek out easy solutions. Diet pills for weight loss, high-end skincare for blemishes, retail therapy to boost our mood. We've all been there. But all of these things don't fix the root of the problem and often turn out to be just a big waste of money. Instead of instinctively reaching out for an easy, possibly costly solution to a perceived issue, consider taking the more challenging route that can provide a genuine resolution. If you're trying to lose weight, often the most effective approach is to eat healthy and to exercise regularly. For skin issues, a $200 cream might not be the answer, but a careful review of your diet and daily habits could reveal the true culprits. If retail therapy is your go-to stress reliever, consider alternatives like meditation, journaling, or simply taking a break to recharge. So the next time you're about to spend money to solve a problem, pause and consider what a sustainable long-term solution might look like instead of the quick, easy fix. Number 7, choosing your vices. We're all drawn to different things. For some, it's high-end experiences. For others, it's luxury items. But if your spending leaves you wondering where your money went, it might be time to reassess. Living within your means doesn't mean penny pinching at every turn. Rather, it's about understanding what truly brings you joy and satisfaction. For me, travel is worth investing in, while other luxuries like designer handbags or golf retreats simply aren't. In this generation, social media has a huge influence on our self-worth and shapes our view of what we should own or do to be happy. But I realize that what I see on social media is only a tiny fraction of other people's daily lives that has been carefully curated to give you this illusion. So instead of buying things to keep up with the Joneses or to simply inflate my own ego, I decided to focus on prioritizing what's important in my life that brings me closer to my financial goals and not to simply impress others. For example, if I'm looping back to the Jeep that I was considering to buy, I was surprised at how expensive it is to buy and maintain a car. It's no wonder that consumer debt in Canada has reached record highs. What really helped me in getting over my ego in buying a brand new car was thinking of where I could be spending that money instead. Specifically, investing that money so that I can be one step closer to my own financial independence. So let me know what your thoughts are and what you refuse to spend your money on down below. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!